Hello folks, you join us here on the inaugural Waterside Model Club Endurance Truck event. We are currently in the setup phase.
Gather round unless you want a penalty, Jamie. I thought that might make you move. Well, first of all, thank you all for coming. Thank you all for...
It's 1 lap per second.
Well, first of all, thanks all for coming. Thanks for all supporting the club. Just a real couple of quick things. Please make sure it's your responsibility to make sure that your truck your transponder's being picked up under the loop. We don't want anyone going, oh, my transponder's not working, when you haven't plugged it in or plugged it in the wrong way round or put it somewhere where the loop can't see it. Secondly, driving, okay, it's going to be very, very difficult to tell who's in the lead and who's not in the lead. As we all know, as model car racers, if somebody is obviously faster than you, it's sometimes better to let them pass. I appreciate that you're not going to know if someone's lapping you, so I don't expect people to jump out of the way of a faster car, but, you know, if you decide to race every single car on the track, the chances are it's going to end in tears. And bear in mind, this is a marathon, not a sprint. 3 hours. We're going to start around about 9:05, hopefully. It's going to run until 12:05, and at the end, the team with the most laps will win. If you've noticed, there's some numbers on the top of the rostrum there. I've put those numbers there as I see the sort of curve of the team. So, for example, the juniors, you'll find right on the end of the rostrum, gives them a slight advantage. They haven't got so far to go. Then Flying Falcons. Then I think it's us, and then the 2 teams of superstars. You know, walking that extra metre really isn't going to make much of a difference. Regards the rostrum, no 2 team members on the rostrum at the same time. Okay, so you have to, you know, it's up to you to tell your teammate, you know, you got to come off now. One guy gets off, one guy gets on, and you go. No 2 trucks of the same team on the track at the same time, except for in the pits. And that's pretty much it. Marshalling. Well, it was in the rules if you read the rules. I've put the marshal points as close to everyone's pit area as they can, so it makes it nice and easy. If somebody's not sat on that chair and they're not chasing after a car that's a truck that's fallen over, there's going to be a penalty. And we've got Roger and Stuart to dole out those penalties. If anyone sees any other team doing something they shouldn't do, please tell Roger or Stuart, because, you know, that team might get a penalty, and, you know, there we go. And everyone that's racing, come and collect your Yorkie bar.
The running order at 14 minutes is 5, 4, 1, 3, 2.
We're 45 minutes to go. Who gives a trucker in the lead by about 8 laps? The Mother Truckers, All Stars, Falcons, and then the Juniors. Right, update. We're 2/3 of the way in. There's 45 minutes left. What's going on?
Malfunction issues. The car chassis snap light. I have a massive hole in my chassis now, so
Ouch.
it's not good. We're currently last at the moment, but yeah, no.
So how many trucks you got left in the running?
2 at the moment.
2?
Maybe 3. We had 2 transponder issues, but that we got fixed that as well. So I think 3 now. My car's the only one that's probably not out at the moment, but we're going to fix it and have a test. I have to like keep off the barriers. If I hit the barrier, it'll probably snap. So yeah.
How was your last stint?
Alright, getting better.
Getting better.
Just slowly improving, so I'm used to tarmac, not carpet.
Yeah, carpet's a bit different, innit? It takes a little while for it to
be
bed
fair,
in.
For 490 laps in 2.5 hours is pretty good, to be honest. Currently, we've got,
More laps than what I would imagine, anyway.
We've got about 43 minutes to go, so anything can change.
Exactly.
Can go all the way down, but
Yep.
something like what happened to my car. But yeah, still carrying on.
Excellent. Catch up soon.
Good job. See you.
Technical issues?
Yeah, as always.
That's it, guys. We're in it. Oh no, quick.
4, 3, 1, 2, 1. Race over.
Hey! Well done, everyone! Well done! So, I hope everybody enjoyed today's event. First time for it, so yeah, seemed to go okay. So the results are as follows. 5th place are basically the Southampton Junior team with 638 laps. Fourth place, we have the Flying Falcons with 731 laps. Hooray. Third place with 768 laps is the Southampton All Stars. Second place with 769 laps, 1 lap, is the Mother Truckers. Hooray. But the winners with 836 laps is Who Gives a Truck? So if you'd like to come over, who gives the truck? Lee, Jamie, and everyone else.
Thank you.
There we go.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
There you go. And one for you.
Thank you.
So a round of applause for the winners. And let's do this again.